Why gold is rising sharply? Why gold is rising sharply? Global uncertainty, geopolitical tensions. Second, central banks buying gold. Third, future interest rates cuts. Fourth, backed by cryptocurrencies. Moving to first one, global uncertainty and geopolitical tensions. The main reason is the tariff imposed by US to many countries. So investors buying gold as safe haven. And other reason is likely Russia-Ukraine war, Iran-Israel war, China-Taiwan tensions, and statement by US to capture Greenland. The second point, central banks buying gold. Why central banks buying gold? Why? The reason is most of nations losing their trust on US dollar, the world most reserve currency due to the sanctions. If any country oppose US, then definitely they will get sanctioned. Future interest rates cut. When we closely see the economic cycle, most of the countries cutting interest rates to boom their economy, to increase the employment and retail sales and transaction in the economy. So, most of the central banks cutting future interest rates, planning to cut future interest rates. The last one, backed by cryptocurrencies. Gold, backed by cryptocurrencies, are digital tokens pegged to physical gold, offering stability by linking their value to gold reserves. For example, US gold backed by Theta. That is the main reasons why cryptocurrency owners are buying gold. Now, when we see the chart, immediate sell-off happens. Why this immediate sell-off happens? Just because the Russia is liquidating its 70% of gold to finance its budget, state-owned banks, large infrastructure projects, and ongoing war in Ukraine. That's the reason why the recent sell-off happened in gold. So this is the fundamental analysis of gold. Let's move to the technicals. Starting with weekly chart. This zone is cleanest demand zone. Let's do some adjustment. If price comes to the zone, then we can expect some large positions. Moving to daily chart, zoom in. Here we can clearly see the support and resistance is aligning with weekly chart, making the zone more confident to buy. If price come to this demand zone, then it will give some sudden reactions. It will give some sudden reactions. Next, moving to the H4, marking this demand zone, price gave sudden reaction of up around 100 to 200 pips. Next, below that, another zone. Again, below that, another zone. Again, price giving reactions. Next, on hourly chart, now we can next on hourly chart, now we can clearly see The reaction to this zone hourly is very difficult to trade because more volatile gold. Just because the gold is more volatile and moving like 400 to 500 pips, are ultimately this zone you can go longs on gold. You can go longs on gold. That's it for today. See you on next video.